Hey there, are you feeling a bit drained or not quite at your best? Maybe your workouts are hitting a plateau or your energy levels just aren't what they used to be. Well, it's time to unlock your potential naturally with Snap Supplements Nitric Oxide Booster. Snap Supplements was founded by three friends who believed in the power of natural remedies. They grew up with herbal remedies and natural foods, and when they saw the negative impacts of processed foods, they knew they had to make a change. That passion led to the creation of Snap Supplements, a company dedicated to blending modern science with traditional wisdom. Our nitric oxide booster is a perfect example of this philosophy. It combines scientifically recognized ingredients like L-arginine and L-citrulline, which are well known for boosting circulation and improving blood flow, with the time-honored energy-boosting power of ginseng root. This unique synergy helps support heart health, enhance exercise performance, and give you sustained natural energy. Imagine starting your day feeling truly energized, a natural energy that supports you through busy workdays, active weekends, and intense workouts. With Snap Supplements Nitric Oxide Booster, you can feel a difference in your stamina, endurance, and overall well-being. Many of our users have experienced improved circulation, better muscle pumps during workouts, and even healthier blood pressure levels. But what makes Snap Supplements stand out? It's our commitment to quality and purity. Our products are vegan, plant-based, caffeine-free, sucralose-free, soy-free, allergen-free, and contain no added sugar. Manufactured in the USA in an FDA-registered and GMP-certified facility, and third-party tested for quality, you can trust that you're getting the best. Don't just take our word for it. Our Nitric Oxide Booster is a #1 bestseller with over 15,000 positive reviews. Customers rave about the natural energy boost, enhanced workout performance, and overall health benefits. One user said, "Finally, energy without the jitters." Another shared, "My workouts have never been better. Ready to feel the difference?" Click the link in the description to get your Snap Supplements Nitric Oxide Booster today. Join the Snap Supplements community and start living your best life naturally. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more health insights from Snap Supplements. Until next time, stay healthy and energized.